Assalamu alaikum and good morning class 4. Today is Friday, 15 January 2021. How are you boys? Here comes another Friday. And you all know as Friday is the pious day for Muslims and this day is like an Eid. So we all offer our Jummah prayers on Friday and it is advised that reciting Durud Ibrahimi is good on Friday because this is the Durud that Allah Ta'ala and angels are also reciting. So I'll advise you to recite this Durud Pak and pray for yourself and for your family, for your country as well. So boys, we have done the revision of volume capacity. There were two units for volume, milliliters and liter. Milliliter was the smallest unit and liter is the bigger unit. Now we have to do the measurement of time. Yes, time is another measuring unit. There are two types of time. One is 12-hour format and one is 24-hour format. So for 12-hour format, there is AM and PM. Let's move toward it. And boys, here you can see that's our topic. It is time. We have already learned to read and write time from analog and digital clock. Okay? And you all know the bigger hand of the clock is called minute hand and the smaller hand is called hour hand. We all know there are 12 hours showing in the clock. You have to remember. You can see, do you remember on page number 129? In it they are saying 7 days are in a week, 4 weeks are in a month, 30 or 31 days in a month. These are weeks, these are days, okay? Except for February, which has 28 days. But when it is a leap year, it has 29 days. A leap year comes after every 4 years. There are 12 months in a year. There are 52 weeks in a year. We can write a year in weeks and in months, even in days. There are 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. Okay? Now, as they say that we have all this information, so we can do our exercise as well as we can do our sums of time. AM. Boys, it is the short form and the actual is anti-meridium. It is a Latin word meaning before noon or midday. It means the time before noon, early morning time. From night 12 to noon 12 is called AM. Okay? PM. PM is also a short form and its full form is post-meridium. It is a Latin word also and it means afternoon or midday. It means the day that is after 12 noon and before night 12. Okay boys, now we have to write the definitions on our notebook. So please open your notebook. Write CW Friday 15 January 2021. Our topic is measurement. Revision. We are going to revise page number 125 and 132. There are the definitions that we have learned in our notebook. AM. It is the short form of anti-meridium meaning before noon or midday. Here I have written after night 12 to before noon 12. PM. It is also a short form of post-meridium meaning afternoon or midday. So boys, this times is from noon 12 to night 12. Okay, please write this definition. Let's start our activity boys. They are asking how many days are in 5 weeks. As we all know, there are 7 days in a week. So in the solution, we will write days in 1 week equals to 7 days in 5 weeks equals to 5 multiplied by 7. That is 35 days. Okay? Now, let's write another sum of activity. You have to tell me how many weeks are there in 5 years. Okay? Let's write another question. How many weeks are in 5 years? As we all have remembered that there are 52 weeks in a year, so we will write in our solution SOL 1 year has equals to 52 weeks. Okay? Now what we have to do, we have to write how many weeks are there in 5 years. 5 years has equals to 52 multiplied by 5 weeks. 5 2s are 10, 0. Here we had 1 carried. 5 5s are 25 and 1 26. 260 weeks. Okay. We have known that there are 24 hours in a day, and we also know that 1 hour has 60 minutes and 1 minute has 60 seconds. So the third one question or third one activity is how many seconds in 1 hour. Okay, we have to tell how many seconds are there in 1 hour. So let's start our solution. For the solution, boys, what we have to write, we will write SOL 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay, and 1 minute has 60 seconds. So 1 hour equals to, I will write 60 minutes, and in place of MINS means I will write 60, and this in place of MINS, in its place I have written 60 seconds, as here is 60 seconds. So this bracket you all know means multiplication, and we can multiply 6 6 are 36 and 10 of this seconds. So always remember there are 3600 seconds in 1 hour. 1 hour has 3600 seconds. Let's move toward our exercise, boys.